on deck 8 in the shores. Good morning. Beach buns, y'all. Beach buns. This is where you get your hot dogs. Summer's Landing. Coastal Kitchen. No, Coastal Slice. This is where you get your pizzas from. Cucina di Capitano. And the Marina Bar. Okay, we went to the Marina Bar. That's where we got our water from. Okay, we just didn't go back that way.
We've been, seems like, past here.
Yes. Okay. Okay. We just hadn't been on that side yet. Okay. Pixels. We know this.
Really?
Dance class. Tina Turner dance class. It's time for the Tina Turner dance class at the Havana Bar, and let's see.
Hello everyone, are we ready to start dance class today? Step, pop the hip. And I really want to see you pop the hip. And then the exact same to the left. Step, 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 pop the hip. Feeling good? I'm just going to add on a little bit. It's the exact same full waltz, but this time we're just adding the turn. So if you're going to struggle with the turn, just pop your right hand on your right shoulder, and you've just got to step, half step to the bar, which you're all familiar with, I'm sure. Follow that shoulder around again, and throw the arms up. Ignore this buzzing, we're trying to sort that. So, a little bit faster. If you're struggling with that turn, just pretend you're a dog trying to chase their tail. That's kind of the vibe we're going for. And we're going to go step, turn, step. Exactly. Sorry, yeah. Mind everyone's eyes, ears, noses, you know. We don't want a medical response today. And then, exactly the same to the other side. Dog chasing their tail. Step, turn, step, throw. Making sense? Amazing. Let's just go from the step claps a little bit faster because it is, unfortunately, quite a fast routine. So we're going to carry on. She's already tapped out. She's like, I am done. She was like, that trivia got me exhausted. Okay, so we've got our step clap. So 5, 6, 7, 8. Step. And 4, why not? 2, we walk to the right. Step, step, step. Put the hips. Step, step, step. I can't speak. Step, step, carrying on from here, we've got 8 walks. Nice and easy. We're going to throw the opposite arm up. So we're going to just swing the arm. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. And you can really swing the head, go crazy if you don't want like those arms.
Don't hurt yourself though.
Don't hurt yourself. Don't hurt yourself.
Here, right before you enter the Alchemy Bar, there is such a cool little light fixtures in the currents below the sea. And then you come straight ahead and here is the Alchemy Bar. And to the right is the Limelight Lounge. But we kind of wanted to look at the interactive features here up on board. Isn't this cool? I'm gonna walk down a little bit because I think you can press something and change this. Yeah, let me just see. These are so cool. Isn't that just cute? Cutest little features right there.
David.
Yeah, there it is. So here, you can play interactive games with this thing. Let's try it. It's Change the Currents touchscreen. And here are your choices. Let's see what Arctic waters looks like, y'all. Give it request change, I think. So we have, and then it gives you a countdown of how long it will take before it changes. Now, come on, guys, don't tell me this isn't cool. Fun. The kids would really love it, but you know I'm a kid at heart, so I'm kind of digging it myself. Let's see. Here we go. Here comes the change. Here comes the change. And now we're into the Arctic waters. And here are the penguins. Isn't that freaking so cute? Uh-oh. Shamu came up. That is adorable. You know we're gonna have to change it again. Here comes Shamu again, y'all. He's in this one right here. Well, there he is. What's going on, Shamu? I don't know why I said it like that.
I know.
Let's change again. Okay, it looks like we're going to the coral reef in about 36 seconds. Oh, the mood, the lights are changing and the mood. This is so cute. Who doesn't like pushing buttons? Here is the coral reef. Look, there's a turtle. Such pretty, vibrant colors. This is a lot of fun. So come on up here and push some buttons and ooh and ah to the changing view. We're starting our night tonight at dinner, second night of the cruise with broccoli cheddar soup. Good. Our main course for dinner on this second night is, what is this?
Carbonara, chicken carbonara.
Chicken? Spaghetti carbonara.
Are you 6'2"?
Oh, you were right. I won.
Okay. Okay.
And for dessert, banana cream pie. I did not like my banana cream pie, so I decided to get, what is this? The cappuccino creme de pie.
Yeah.
And now it's showtime, folks. This is something that Carnival does in the main dining room. It's like a little entertainment with your dinner. The waiters and the wait staff, they put on a little show for you. They put on the music and give you a show. It's cute. It's fun. Some people hate it. Others love it. I think it's really cute. And I laugh at their dance moves. And then, you know, some of the more friendly ones, they like to show off. So, showtime.
All right. We will start at 7 p.m. with our first trivia. That's going to be, I guess, the song trivia. One of my favorite ones. I don't have to struggle with English. I will just press play.
At the Limelight
You
Lounge.
listen to the song.
After that trivia, we went and explored and went into the other lounge area and watched a very fun interactive game with kids and their parents. And then we came back to the Limelight Lounge for one of the wildest, funniest trivias I have ever seen on all my cruise experience. So we came back in here at the Limelight to do 80s, 90s trivia. And as you can see, our host here, who was from South Africa, I think it is, he was so much fun. We were all just singing along to the tunes. He couldn't stop us. He's like, guys, listen to it at first and then we'll go back later and give the answers. But he couldn't stop us. We were all just singing along to the song. So he's like, all right, let's make it fun. So here he is doing his best of Britney. And he's like, give me a tap. So at the end, all of the men came up to give us a nice little serenade, a song and dance routine, because they had, won the trivias. And we clapped along and gave them encouragement because it was fun. But here at the end of the night, boy, oh boy, the ladies came up, but the ladies, I'm sorry, they took a back seat. Look at this gentleman. Look at this gentleman. He is moving and grooving for that plastic ship on a stick. And he won. I'm letting you know. Thanks so much for joining us on our Carnival adventure. We're having a great time on the Jubilee. Tomorrow, we're headed to Roatan. Come along for the adventure. I thank you so much for joining us, and we will catch you at the next adventure.